Star at the center, the Sun is a massive, glowing ball of hot, ionized gas, plasma, and is the star at the center of our solar system. It provides the gravitational force that keeps all the planets, including Earth, in orbit around it. Enormous size, the Sun is incredibly large. Its diameter is about 109 times that of Earth, and it could fit approximately 1.3 million Earths inside it. However, it's considered a relatively average-sized star in the universe. Energy source: the Sun is primarily powered by nuclear fusion at its core. Hydrogen atoms combine to form helium through this process, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy is what sustains life on Earth. Surface features: the Sun's surface isn't static. It has features like sunspots, solar flares, and prominences. Sunspots are cooler, darker regions on the surface caused by intense magnetic activity, while solar flares and prominences are eruptions of energy and matter from the Sun's surface into space. Light speed: it takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. This means that when we look at the Sun, we're actually seeing it as it appeared over 8 minutes ago, because that's how long it takes for the light to travel from the Sun to our planet. These facts highlight the Sun's vital role in our solar system and its fascinating characteristics. It's not only a source of light and heat but also a subject of scientific study and exploration.